Honestly, if you guys knew how much it took me to like film today's video, you would feel sorry. Hey guys, what's up? It's Amy back with another video. Today I want to do a first impressions review of a makeup palette that I got over summer break when I went to BeautyCon, and one of those products happens to be the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette. I'm just gonna be doing a makeup look. Nothing special about this, and I honestly don't even know what I'm gonna do for the look. I'm literally like doing this as I'm filming it, like right now. These are the shades, and I'm just gonna see what I can do with this. Yeah, I'm not an MUA, but I definitely do like makeup. So, also disclaimer, you guys, I have a lot of acne right now because I've been really stressed lately from school and projects and work and life. So I'm trying to stay hydrated and drink some sparkling water. So I hope you guys don't mind, and I hope you guys also can't see like the acne under the makeup, because that's never like a cute look to me. Hope you guys enjoy. If you do, give it a thumbs up, like the video. That's the exact same thing. Subscribe to the channel because we are growing. Hit the bell notifications to be notified every time I upload. And follow me on all my social media. The links will be in the description box down below, as well as the products that I'm using today. I think that's about it, so let's get into it. So guys, I started by priming my face and moisturizing already. I'm using concealer over my eyelids just to get everything I'm using more visible. So I don't want to call this an official tutorial just because I'm not sure, A, if you guys can follow along, and 2, if it's like so legitimate that it's like, yeah, this is it. I was really just trying to test out this palette like it is a first impressions review, just to see like how it works. I think it's okay for beginners, like if you're just starting out with makeup. And me, I want to get more advanced with makeup. I feel like you should start with stuff like this to get good at that, master that, and then go on to like more professional palettes or like better palettes. But for me, the colors were nice. I just wish I had something a little bit more pigmented. And you can build up the colors. I probably didn't do a good job of that, but you know, you can build up the colors by applying more and like blending well. But for me, it was cool. I did like it, but maybe it's not my favorite. But it was cool. It worked. It served its purpose. And I guess I should mention that partly, if it's not the best, it's my fault, because I obviously need more practice. Like I said, I'm not an MUA, a professional makeup artist. Here I'm just applying eyeshadow to the base of my eyelids as the main color. And over here, okay, so honestly, I tried to do some smoky effect. Didn't really turn out well, so honestly, if you do try and recreate this, or you're just, I don't know, taking notes, ignore this step. I feel like there was a failed attempt, but anywho. Then after that, I just did my wings per usual. I got a whole separate video on that, and then I moved on to the face once I felt like my eyes were finished, and I did what I could do to them. And for the face, I basically just put on foundation, concealer, in the places as you see here. And I did like a little bit of contouring and highlights on my cheeks and my nose, and that's about it. Oh yeah, and I also did lashes for this look. I love the look of lashes, but honestly they're such a pain to put on, or at least for me. Maybe I just need to get used to them, but they low-key irritate my eyes, but they're so nice. And I did these off camera because it took me 3 times on each eye to do this. Getting dressed into like the outfit idea I had that I thought would be super cute. Look what just happened. Do you see this? Do you see this? What? It was a look. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Thanks so much for watching. From yours truly to you, I'm Amy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later. So I hit it like woo 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 woo. You know how the kids do woo woo. When I'm in my truth, turn up on you when I'm in my truth. Yeah. Alley you when I'm in my truth. When I'm in my truth, pull up in it like woo.